Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I hope you're doing really well. It's become so hot where I live that every single class I debate, do I wear a leotard and tights or do I just wear a comfy sports bra and a cute skirt? More often than not, it ends up being the latter, and I do have to say it makes me feel a lot less put together, but it does keep me cooled off because honestly, leotard and tights is just way too hot in my bedroom. If I were in the dance studio, there's a little bit better flow of air, especially because I want to keep the door closed so it's not too noisy for Steve, who's working during the day. And it's a smaller room, so the heat just kind of stays contained, and it's also on the top floor, so I feel like heat rises, right? So the upstairs is obviously going to be warmer than the downstairs. Regardless, I still feel pretty cute in this outfit. The top is from Aerie and the bottoms are also from Aerie. And honestly, I would much rather have to complain about the heat than have to complain about the cold. I was so over winter. You guys heard it every single vlog. I literally complained all the time about the winter, and now I'm just so happy that it's summer, and now I have something else you guys can be sick of, which is every single time I take out my camera or even start my vlog, I have to say how happy and excited I am that it's summer. And I'm sorry because I think I said this like 7 times in this vlog alone, but I can't help but be grateful for the warm weather. Honestly, especially if you live in Canada, you know how precious summer truly is. That was tiring. It was tiring mainly because I did a pointe class earlier already this morning. It's also really hot out, but it's nice. So I'm going to go water our garden like I showed you guys in the last vlog. Me and Steve planted some vegetables and herbs in our raised garden bed, as well as a little box and a couple planters. So I'm gonna go water those. And it's also really hot, so they probably need extra water. So that might take me a little while because I might water them with 2, what's this called again? Watering cans full? Wow. And then I'm gonna take Elsa on a walk. Maybe I'll have lunch beforehand, but it's just so nice out. I need to put on sunblock too because I'm definitely gonna get burned, and I don't like getting burned. I don't like the sensation. It's not good, and it's not good for your skin. So anyways, gonna let these breathe for a second because you know the feeling when you take off your pointe shoes and your feet are like screaming internally. I'm just gonna air them out a little bit, but Elsa's hungry now, so I'll go feed her first. The pepper plant is growing a bunch of new leaves, which is really exciting. I'm gonna pull some of the weeds as well because I'm pretty sure that's a weed. Pretty sure that's a weed. Pretty sure that's a weed. So yeah, I'm gonna water these and pull the weeds. What do you think? Okay. What are you doing? If you know me in person, you know that I love the water. I love sitting by the water, I love looking at the water, I love swimming, and I think Elsa truly is my dog daughter because she also loves swimming and water, literally anything to do with the water. So after our really long walk, I did take her back to the water so she could cool off and swim, and I was a little bit jealous because I myself wanted to swim as well, but I did not bring a bathing suit, so I could not swim. But I am so excited for the times when I can swim this summer, such as when we're going on vacation or even when it gets a little bit warmer, because honestly the water is like okay to swim in, but I wouldn't want to stand there for too long, so I would just want to wait until it warms up just a little bit more. But obviously she was having lots of fun. She's great because I just throw the stick, she retrieves it back, hence Labrador Retriever. She loves retrieving stuff and it's a great relationship. I love throwing stuff for her. Also, since I have a lot more free time, I've had a lot more time to clean up, and we've been really behind on our chores just because both Steve and I have really busy lives. But since I have more free time, it allows me to clean up the bathroom, clean up the kitchen, do some things like reorganization, which I actually really love doing. It's very cathartic to me, and I really love reorganizing things. I used to love reorganizing my drawer. When I went to ballet school, I would literally sit down on my floor, in my bedroom, in my dorm, and just reorganize my drawers by color, and it made me so happy. It just made me feel really put together and clean and tidy. So it's been really nice to be able to do that kind of thing because we've been lacking, organization skills. As you can see, I got a bunch of new Tupperware containers. My mom got these from IKEA. They have the bamboo lids, and I really, really like them. It's nice too because they're stackable, and I'm really grateful that she gave these to us, and they look amazing and super aesthetic in our kitchen. So it's currently 3 o'clock. I was hoping to leave around 3:15 to get to Opera House around 4, so I'll still be able to make it then. I'm gonna do a little bit more makeup than usual just because I am going to be going on stage with a couple of the dances for extra help for the kids, and I don't want to look like a ghost, so I'm gonna put on a little bit of this Ilia SPF, even though I will not be outside today. But I feel like it'll just even out my skin tone. I really need to get a new beauty blender too because mine is really old and every time I use it, it causes a breakout. So I am so excited to see everybody on stage. I'm really excited to see the students shine, and I'm really excited for the people whose first time it is on stage. I think it'll be a really special and fun moment. I put on way too much concealer. This definitely isn't my color either, but it's okay. I'm just gonna contour a little tiny bit. Tonight is a special occasion, so why not? I like to put on everything at once too, because then I can blend it out. I always tend to put more blush on one side than the other, so hopefully this evens things out. And I'm not gonna use a beauty blender because it's pretty gross, even though I probably should to blend things out a bit nicer. The nice thing about using my fingers too is that they're warm, so I feel like they just break down the product better. I'm also breaking out so much on this side. Oh my goodness. Probably because I sleep on the pillow on that side. I can actually see texture. That's alarming. I had not so great skin when I met Steve, so it's something I used to be really self-conscious of. I mean, it wasn't like, I don't know, I always just am hyper aware of, I think it comes from ballet, but of part of my looks. Like, I could care less about how my hair looks or my nails or things that I can change, but things like my skin, I'm always so hyper conscious of. Oh, I put way too much blush on this side now, and this is always the side I have less blush on usually. Oh my goodness, do that. Oh yeah, that's better. Okay, I'm gonna spray some of this MAC Fix Plus on before. Whew. I always end up getting some in my eye. So it's Saturday right now, and I'm about to go to a vintage market with my friend. And yesterday was the dance recital. It was great. I feel very like Daisy Jones in the Six. I haven't watched that show yet, but comment if you think this outfit is very much that, if you watch the show. I really want to watch the show. I just haven't gotten around to it. But this dress is ancient. I have literally had this dress since grade 9, so I was 14. So this dress is almost 14 years old. But anyways, it's from H&M. It's very, very, very old. And I think I've only ever worn it once in my life. But I'm gonna go put on my shoes and go meet my friend outside. This is the fit, and I'll take you guys with me to the vintage market.
Oh my god, these cards just...
Is that Jack Skellington? Oh, that's so cute. The vintage market was so fun and so cool, totally worth the drive, and we went to a little heritage museum as well before we had lunch. There were a ton of talented vendors, there was some live music going on, and it was the most perfect day to do this. It was 30 degrees, the sun was shining. After we went shopping, we grabbed some lunch at a restaurant, and it was on the water, which was really nice. We got some footage of each other getting footage, which was kind of funny. I got a sangria and my friend Amber got a mojito. We did get the same sandwich, and it was really, really good. It was like a roasted veggie sandwich. And then we went to a charity car wash, and for no reason at all, I was so stressed out. I got this new hat. Sorry, you're kind of in it too. No, you can be in it, as long as you consent.
Yeah, I'm fine. It's like a bullseye.
So this way over the hose? Yes, so? Okay.
Oh shit. Wait, should I keep going?
I just stopped, right?
I think so. For a second.
Am I supposed to keep going?
Go out now.
I can't see. And then I'm done?
All done.
Okay, I just got back from the vintage market with my friend. The drive was like about an hour or so, maybe a little bit less. But I'm back anyways, and I want to show you guys what I got. I was really surprised and happily surprised at that the prices were really reasonable. And when I mean really reasonable, I literally mean I got some of these things for $1. Are you kidding me? $1? Where can you find a sweater that has a cute face of a cat on it and that says cat mom on the arm for $1? Where can you find that? So I was really content with my purchases. I'll show you guys what I got. I got this sweater first of all, and it was $1, and it says cat mom on the sleeve, and I think that's just super fitting because as you guys know, I am a cat mom, and yeah, it feels super soft and cozy and I love it. I also got this shirt. I think I got it, it says right there, for $3. I just really love the color of it, and I think it'll go really nice with a pair of high-waisted jeans, maybe a skirt. I really like the color of it, so I'm really happy about that. I also got this white top, and I think this one was $2 at a garage sale at somebody's house, and I like the fit of it. This will also go really nicely with a pair of high-waisted jeans as like a little crop top. And it's really cute. We also went for lunch and we got these sandwiches, and I took the fries back home because I got pretty full. What else did we get? I got some pride pins as well that I put on my bag already. And the piece de resistance, my favorite purchase of the day. This hat, I couldn't resist. It was hand crocheted by the girl who ran the garage sale. I love it. I can't explain why, but I love it. I love it. I feel fabulous on this. I feel amazing. On that note though, I am gonna clean up the house because we were gone for like 6 hours. It's currently almost 4 o'clock here and we left at like 10 or 11. So I definitely need to do some cleaning up. I just watered all the plants in the backyard and I'm gonna do some laundry and probably shower because I feel nice and sweaty. Also, we went to a car wash that was run by a firefighter station, yeah, I forget what it's called. It was run by firefighters. But anyways, it was really cool. It felt like I was in a movie or a TV show because it was literally firefighters cleaning my car. It was so cool. We just sat in it, we just drove through, and they had like the hose from, I have the video, they had the hose from the truck. It was really cool. But anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I had lots of fun as usual. Comment down below what you wanna see next. Obviously, I'm gonna be vlogging a lot more now that the recital's done, now that I have a lot more free time because work is pretty much done. It's not really done because I'm still teaching throughout the summer and I'm still working throughout the summer, but it's definitely not going to be as hectic and as busy as it has been for the last few months. So I'm going to continue vlogging. Let me know if you want me to do more vlogs, less vlogs, more tips, whatever the heck you guys want. Anyways, until next time, have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now. Again, this hat is so cool. I love it.